Hey guys, welcome to the Queendom. Today I'm working on it in here. Going to show you what we've got going on. I added a few flowers and I'm going to show you what plants are actually starting to grow and which ones are fading out. The wild lettuce is growing like crazy. The onion chives are starting to come out. The radishes I was really disappointed in. Out of all of them, this is what I got coming up, and these are from Shimway. It is the crayon colors mix. I mean like 6 or 8. I was really disappointed. The mums are doing great. I've got some onions in the background there. Again, they're coming out, and I just planted my diva cucumbers. We're going to see what happens trying to get them going up this trellis here. Look at the potatoes. Now, not 100%. These right here have not really come up. These are just starting to come up. But look at these. So I don't remember which one's which, but these are doing better than the others. Another mum. Then we have empty space. Haven't planted anything yet. A few more onions. My aloes doing really pretty good. Now this one almost got burnt because it was in the center in a pot. I've just put it back in the ground for the summer, so we're going to see how it does. The petunias are blooming as always. They're always beautiful. Got lots and lots of buds on them, so we're going to have a pot of petunias. I'm going to just keep them contained in this area. The peppercorns got bit back some, but the bush itself stayed green. So all these pods did not mature. They just kind of sat there. So we're going to see if they fall off and then start over. But it's got a good start because you see it's already this tall. So it's about 3.5 foot. So we're good there. This whole thing I put in English peas, and you can see nothing came up except a few sporadic ones. Then I added my little flowers that were in the GreenStalk. A couple more peas. So we'll fill in. Just added the French marigolds. Isn't that awesome? And right back there I put a couple of sunflowers. We're just going to see if they do anything. Now we have our little potted plants that's got to go somewhere. These English peas are almost to play out. And you can see we've been eating. Look at this. That is a full pod. I just ate some while I was in here. And it's already 80 degrees and it's not even 9:30 yet. It's getting hot. But see, I've got peas. But they're playing out. They're not going to be much longer. These will go away. But look at my eggplant. I cut it back and it's coming back out. I've been fertilizing a little bit. We'll keep fertilizing. Maybe we'll have a big jump on eggplant this year. The cotton. Now, I took this bowl out the other day because it was already through. This one's popping open. This one is ready to come off. You see that? That's what cotton looks like when you get it. The seeds are in the white stuff. You have to sit and I can feel them. I can't tell you, but the pretty good size seeds. That one little piece has like 3 seeds in it. So one cotton bowl probably has 10 to 12 seeds, maybe more in it. Isn't that awesome? So I grew cotton. Flower is doing okay. And the peppercorn. Like I said, they got bit back, but they're still working. And this little flower's coming back out. This one in the pot, since I chopped it all off, is going to be okay too. This pot is doing even better. Isn't that great? Ah. And then this peppercorn hung in there better than any of them. The little flower there is coming back out. And then all these English peas down through here. Like I said, I've still got peas. And I think some of them still blooming. So all these down this way are doing okay. They'll come out probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks. The lantana's coming back out. The peppercorn here is higher than any of the others. You see it? It's already to there. So I'm hoping this year to have my peppercorn trellis going across there. We're going to work, and we're going to take the heat lamp out. We may have a cold night or two, but not so cold that I have to worry about it. But the peppercorn, lots of people ask where you can get them. I do not know, have no clue. These were sent to me, but look how gorgeous. Danny's rutabagas have done okay. Not what Danny wanted, but we've ate out of them a couple of times, and we're letting these grow for another couple of weeks before we pull them up. Getting the bigger ones out has helped. This flower's coming back out. The tea tree is hanging in there, and I've got it in a pot so I can transplant. These are the Egyptian walking onions. Look how pretty. They're doing awesome. I just added this French marigold here. We're going to plant beans and stuff in this area. All the carrots are coming out. We've been eating on those for 2 or 3 weeks now. So those few will come out. I added some more onions here, and they're fixing to go to seed, which is awesome because we need the seeds. And then more carrots. These will come out this week. More onions. And this is my turmeric and ginger bed. These will pop out in the next month or so, but not yet. This bed will just be kind of empty looking until they all come out. And the GreenStalk. Isn't that awesome? The strawberries, once I got them all going, look, strawberries in the GreenStalk. It is amazing. So we're going to have strawberries in 2 GreenStalks, one here and one in the mini greenhouse on the cabin hill. So guys, that is a quick tour of Wanda's Queendom. And as always, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Crazy days.